Alright folks, this is my 8th update now, I guess. I'm going to try and keep it short. I just want to talk about the pillar. I was up earlier this afternoon and gave it a good clean up from the rusted condition it was in when I received it. Now, I don't know how well this camera is going to pick it up, but it's I'm rather disappointed with this part. I think this end was the end that was secured. Possibly not. I'm not sure which end was secured in the base now, to be honest with you. But that doesn't matter, yeah. The middle section, which is the section that the table runs upon, has indeed suffered some serious pitting due to the corrosion that was present on it. Now that's no longer a smooth surface. I've tried my best to take away all the rust, but without removing any of the material that was left. And you know, it's just, it feels cratered, yeah. You know, you can feel the craters in it. It's that bad. Some areas over here, for instance, aren't as bad. That's cleaned up a bit better than this area over here has, but you can see that it is, you know, severely cratered, yeah. And here you'll actually feel a ridge on that line, so that indicates that this outside diameter here will be slightly reduced from this diameter here, okay, and that's not a good situation. Now, it's my belief, I haven't actually checked with Meddings yet, but it's my belief that this part is not only turned down to a precise dimension with a specific tolerance, I guess, as well. It is then ground, so it's got a ground surface finish, yeah. So that'll be a precision grind within, you know, hundredths of a millimetre, okay, to give the machine as much accuracy as possible. And some previous owner, in their wisdom, has come along with a grinding wheel, a hand grinder, and merrily buffed it up here, look. I don't know if you'll see that. You can see the scores along here, look. That's been done with a hand grinder. And there's a big fucking scallop. So I don't know how to describe it, like a sort of concave surface in the side of the, or the surface of the cylinder here. People are just beggars belief, you know what I mean? Fuck. There's another lump taken out of there. That really fucking gets my goat, that does. I'm a machinist by trade, okay, but I'm also a fitter, fabricator, maintenance tech, you know. I can strip valves, rebuild engines, I can do CAD design at a push, yeah. Certainly 2D stuff's fairly straightforward for me, yeah. I've worked on 3D applications in the past, not at a professional level, but just as a hobby, really, you know. So I've got skills, yeah. And to me, it's ludicrous that anyone can be that short-sighted that they'll take a precision ground surface and let rip on it with a hand grinder. I don't know what this would cost to replace. Ideally I'd like to replace it, but I'm not in a position to do so. I would imagine that this part is in the hundreds of pounds, because you can bet your bottom dollar, for you Yanks watching this, that there'll be some poor bastard stuck on a CNC grinding machine 8 hours a day or 12 hours a shift, depending on how the factory operates, pumping out bastards like this all day long. They'll be greased, carefully wrapped in anti-corrosive greaseproof paper, packed into some sort of crates with foam liners or something, so that the surface of the part doesn't get any dents or scrapes on it. And then some fucking numpty just leaves it to rot. I don't know who, people just don't appreciate what they've got anymore. They don't, or maybe it's just they don't understand how much effort goes into making stuff like this. A lot of people will just consider that a pipe, oh, it's just a bit of pipe. But it's not. That part is what the whole fucking drill gets its accuracy from. Albeit there's other parts that need to be precision parts as well. But without that, the drill will not have any accuracy, because the top of the drill will not be correctly aligned with the bottom of the drill. Right, that's all I've got to say on this. I'm pissed off for it now. That being said, it's probably not that bad, But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with this, but hey, I got the fucking drill for 50 quid, I cannot complain too much. Another 50 quid in shipping, right enough. Robbing fucking bastards, the couriers, but there you go. Well, it is a heavy lump, so I can understand them wanting 50 quid for that. Okay, right. Until next time, folks. Hope you've enjoyed this short update. Hope you're in good health and spirits, and I'll catch you again soon. I'll get a price for this for you next time, just out of interest. We'll see what this would cost. Might be a heads up to some of you to look after your machinery and equipment a bit better than you're doing. Bye for now.